Have you ever wondered how operating systems are built? Behind every powerful system is a set of essential software tools. In this video, you'll learn the most important software tools. System programming focuses on creating software that interacts with hardware. Examples include operating systems, device drivers, and compilers. Developers rely on specialized tools to write and optimize code. The first essential tool is GCC, the GNU Compiler Collection. It converts C and C++ source code into machine code. GCC is known for its speed and optimization capabilities. Finding bugs is equally important in software development. GDB, the GNU Debugger, allows developers to inspect variables. It saves hours of troubleshooting and improves reliability. As projects grow larger, compiling every file manually becomes inefficient. CMake automates the build process by compiling only changed files. CMake generates build files automatically for larger projects. This makes software development organized, scalable, and efficient. Large project folders are essential for organization. Build automation streamlines the development process. A progress bar indicates the build status. Git branches allow for parallel development. Team collaboration is enhanced by version control. Memory leaks can be detected with Valgrind. The Linux terminal provides powerful commands. Performance graphs help visualize system efficiency. Master these tools to become a better programmer. Subscribe for more AI, C++, and system programming